Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Astra Factory and welcome to the new series Learn AutoCAD with me. AutoCAD, Automatic Computer Aided Design. AutoCAD is a computer software used by architects, engineers and designers to create precise 2D drawings and 3D models. So to construct any building in the field or to manufacture any product or to design any machinery, at first we have to put our ideas and visuals onto the paper, right? So instead of manually drawing by hand, in order to save our time and energy, John Walker introduced the first version of AutoCAD in 1982 December. So in this series, we are going to learn everything about AutoCAD from basic level to advanced level. We are going to learn shortcut keys, tips and tricks for quick drawing, and we will be starting with very basics like learning each and every command of the AutoCAD, each and every tool of the AutoCAD, and we will be drawing some basic drawings like staircase, brick bonds, plans, elevation sections, and many other. First, we are going to understand how the AutoCAD is going to work, its features, and the coordinate systems. So before getting into the video, the only thing I would like to share is nobody knows everything since childhood, right? As many of us knows how to use YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, smartphones, systems, etc. Right? We have never went for coaching or any classes to learn how to use it, right? We have just learned it with our curiosity. We just use it to explore each and every feature of the mobile phone and we just use it to observe how is it working with and now we know how to operate it, right? In the same way, we can also learn this software. It is really interesting to learn AutoCAD if we are curious enough to learn and explore everything in the AutoCAD. We have to just give some time and explore each and every tool of the AutoCAD. First, we have to understand the gestures and free our hand. So, to understand the gesture and to free our hand, the only option is to practice a lot. So, in this series, we are going to practice a lot of drawings. So, let's just explore how is it working.
Like we have to understand what is happening on clicking one time enter and what is happening while clicking two times enter. We should just observe this.
So, like this, we shall explore everything about AutoCAD and practice a lot of drawings. So today we are going to discuss about the features of AutoCAD and AutoCAD file formats. Let's begin with AutoCAD file formats. AutoCAD can save its drawings in two types of file formats, that is .twg and .dwt. So first one is of working file, that is every drawing is saved in this type of working file. That is we can edit it anytime. And next one is .dwt format, which is template file. So it is like a preset. For example, in Canva, if you want to make a poster or your resume, what you will do, you will just select the template and edit the text with your name and your details, right? In the same way, this .dwt format can be used and just edited as per our requirements. Now let us see the features of AutoCAD.
So here I'm using Autodesk AutoCAD 2026 version. So I hope every one of us knows how to unlock our free 1 year subscription of AutoCAD, and also I hope we all know how to install AutoCAD for free using our student ID. If not, let me know in the comment box. I shall make a separate video for that and I will explain in detail how to install AutoCAD for free using our student ID.
So here is the option to open existing file and this is the option to open new file. So this is the welcome screen of the AutoCAD. Here let's open a new file. These are the grids. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, and here we can type a command and search for it. So now let's understand some features of this AutoCAD. The first one is the feature which enables us to change the format from DWG to PDF. So file format can be changed from DWG to PDF using this format using the plot command. And next one is PDF to DWG. We can convert the PDF format to DWG. That is, the first one is the AutoCAD drawing can be converted into a PDF, which is in a white paper in any size as per your requirements. So second one is from PDF to DWG. That is, we can convert any PDF. You can take it from online or from your clients and can convert it into working format. That is DWG. You can edit it. So no need of drawing entire thing from the PDF, right? You can just convert it into working file. Working file. So next one is publish. So using plot command, we will always convert DWG to PDF, right? So if you are having a lot of files to convert it into PDF, it will take a lot of time, right? So for that, we are using this publish feature so that all the drawings at a time can be converted into PDF. And next one is transmit. So here you can see transmit option, e-transmit. So using this, all the drawings and files can be sent to clients through zip files using e-transmit. And next one is import and export. So using these two features, we can import any file from any other software and also export any file from the CAD to any other software. Like if you are working with AutoCAD, the drawing is completed, but you want to add some edits, but the AutoCAD is not sufficient for you to edit. So you want to edit that same file in another software, but you cannot waste your time editing it, redrawing it, right? So you will just export this file into another software and you can edit it. So in the same way for importing also. So dimensions. Using this dimension features, here will be the dimension. Using this dimension feature, you can give dimensions to the drawings. Next one is block palette. So blocks can be inserted in an easy way using this feature that can be edited, imported, or can be used from save last. Next one is cloud storage. So using this feature, any CAD file can be saved online through Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. So using this feature, we can safely save our files into online like Google Drives or OneDrive. So no worries, let us learn everything in detail in the further videos in this series. So this is just a brief discussion about the features of AutoCAD. Let's in detail work out with this in further videos. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.